Okay. Test run on the marathon. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna have to figure out some volume issues here. Gonna have to figure out how to cut certain sounds out so you can still hear me in the game. Alright, let's try this out. Just gonna do a solo run for the first test. See how this one goes, and we'll go from there. Alright, this is my first attempt at the marathon run. I actually finished Fortune Island before I even got close to finishing the regular game. I'll go ahead and rip the Z06. Pretty good handling car. I have it all-wheel drive. It's my preference, but you do lose some top-end speed, but she handles like a damn roller coaster car. And like I said, this is my first attempt, so we'll see what happens, alright? Let me get my situation set up here. Alright, got my wheels ready. I gotta have my foot pad. Alright, here we go. Really? Already? Damn, leader took a nice jump early on. Get him, reel him in. Sharper than I thought. Oh, kissed him. Sharper than I thought we did. Got it. Oh, come on, man. Oh, not fair. Thread the needle. Jumpy in that one. Damn, he's fast. too much sometimes. Oh, no. Oh, that was bad. That had bad news written all over it, huh? That's why I use rewind. I know some of you are going to judge me, but I play on unbeatable with no assists. And I'm not the best with the wheel yet, so sometimes I have to use rewind. My bad. I'll get there. Don't hit him. And then the e-brake does not work at all. Especially with a button. I hate having a button e-brake. Man. We're only 53%. That was pretty rough, huh? My bad, everybody. What the hell is he driving? Freaking Lambo. What happened? What the hell just happened? Why did he disappear? Why did he disappear? What the hell was that? No, but I'm taking it. I'm gonna run with it. I don't know what in the heck just happened. Oh, I don't know what happened right then either. Shoo-wee. Okay, all right. Don't take your eyes off the road, kids. Look at the computer for 1 second. Squirrely. Still got it. Saved it. Yeah, buddy. Not gonna rewind. Okay, definitely gonna rewind. I lied. Holy crap. Where the F was I going on that one? That was terrible. Way too much speed, man. I mean, what? What is good? It doesn't even give you, like, even a semblance that you're about to just lose control. Man, I think I just need to invest in a better freaking wheel. Zero feel to the car. Jeez, man. Yeah, won it, but I don't feel good about it. We're gonna have to do that one again.
Breathe, Jay, just breathe. No, that was alright, I guess.
20. What are we gonna win today? Don't you hate that crap? I hate that so much. Alright, well that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. I will be back.